There's a wonderful quote by Sean Stevenson that says, "If you have a heartbeat, there's still time for your dreams." Another great quote by John C. Maxwell: "Dreams don't work unless you do." Hi, I'm Terry Brown, and I'm got an exciting message that I want to share with you. So stay with me for the next few moments. Okay, the Change Your Life Club, that's our club, that's our team, is introducing Genusity 2.0 and the new global marketing industry. Okay, and what that means is that we offer high quality products, okay, at real wholesale prices for our customers. And we offer below wholesale prices for our distributors. Now think about this. We're going to have quality products, okay, at wholesale prices for our customers and below wholesale prices for our distributors, okay? And think about prices better than like your Walmarts or your Sam's Clubs or your Amazons, okay? We're going to beat those prices. And we've got high quality now. Again, universal products like CBD oil, keto fat burning, hand sanitizer, anti-aging skincare, energy savings device, pet health, all amazing products like this that people want, need, and use every single day. Those are the types of products that we have, and we're going to be getting more and more in. And so this is absolutely exciting. Okay, now we have a comp plan that's designed to reward you whether you recruit people or not, and you have to make that decision for yourself, because we have a wonderful resale program, okay, where you can market to the retail stores in your area and they can come on board. So this is exciting, and we have products that are going to do very well in those types of establishments. All right, now we also have a free global wholesale superstore that you'll receive by coming on board with us. Now you can stay as a free member if you want, or you can upgrade to an associate above if you want. That will be up to you. Okay. So we also have a done for you marketing system to assist you in building a profitable home-based business from the comfort and convenience of your own home. And that's going to come with already done for you lead capture pages. And we also have advertising resources listed in the back office, folks. Everything's in place for you. Okay. If you've had a dream, okay, of making the kind of money that you really desire to make, all right, to build a business, to become your own CEO, okay, then we've got the opportunity, we've got the products, everything is right here. You know, Disney said all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them, okay? Okay, guys, now with our team, you'll have unequaled support. You'll partner with people that would be committed to your success as well as their own. You'll learn about our 15 to 30 minutes per day, daily step-by-step advertising system. Now, that's the minimum that you want to do, but if you do that every day, guess what? You can build this business. I hope you heard me. 15 to 30 minutes per day, and we'll show you what you need to do to get this going. And it's very simple and it's very easy, okay? And anybody can do it, all right? So that's another thing. Okay, you'll be able to participate in our co-op advertising program, so you can do that if you want. You'll be placed in our team rotator system, and that's for associates and above. You'll receive one-on-one coaching if you desire that, and that is at no cost to you. You'll be able now to participate, to take advantage of our success motivation team conference calls, and I tell you something, that's going to be exciting, okay? Now, here's the thing. The only thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to grab the link that I'll have posted in the description area of this video, okay? And get started and get connected with us, with me, and then contact me when you're ready to get started. Now, that's going to be important because I won't know, all right, that you are serious and ready to go unless you let me know, okay? And so, you know, I'm encouraging people, look, I'm here. I'm here to help folk to get started, to get going. But all you have to do is just let me know, okay? Send me a text. Let's get together. Let's talk. Let's text. Let's email. Let's do whatever it is that we need to do. All right. Now, if you have a will to win, you have achieved half your success. If you don't, you have achieved half your failure. David Ambrose. Now make sure you grab that link. Get started. Get connected. Okay. And boy, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Bless you.